Hi guys, I'm Kim Cash, and today I'm going to talk about a Murphy bed, which is something that you have built into the wall so you can pull it down and make maybe a guest room out of an office. And I have an odd house. It was built in 1890 with a lot of different angles and just unusual dimensions. And one of the bedrooms we have has very strange angles. And so my son wanted to build a Murphy bed so that the bed wouldn't take up so much of the room so he could have his desk. And so he and his father talked about it and they decided to go ahead and do it. And I thought it would be a really small project. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe because I don't do woodworking, I don't know what it all entails. But after they started drawing out the plans and figuring it out, they talked about just getting a kit for the hydraulic lift so that when you go to pull down the bed, it would be really easy. And they said that they could do it themselves, but it would have taken a lot of time. So they got a kit and it had the plans in it for how you set it all up, and then they went to work on it. So I'm going to just jump into it and show you how they did it. And then at the end, I'll show you a little video where you can see how it pulls down really easily. But if you have any questions, then let me know and just put them down in the comments below. And here we go.
Perfect. I got it. Look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So we'll do this again. We'll worry about trimming this stuff later. Let's make all the long.
Yeah, make all the long ones, sure.
Now I'm going to screw this in here. That's behind me. Okay, you got it marked here.
There are holes. It's marked.
Just go in there. All right. Okay, bottom.
It should be at the 15. There should be a marker.
Yeah.
You could put a couple, but don't overdo it because I don't want it splitting the board. Cool. Now,
Okay.
all right. So now, do you see that big thing on the ground, Luke, Dad?
Huh?
Grab that tarp thing and put it underneath here. Your side on both.
Yeah, get it underneath
We
this whole
just
thing.
want it all on here so we can
So-
slide it around.
So let's pivot it away from us, Jacob. Let's pivot that way.
Okay.
Okay, can you get it in here?
And then we're going to drop this down on it, okay? There, that's good. That's
You got
good.
both ends?
Yeah. Look, that's good.
Okay, so now
So now,
we're gonna lift this whole thing.
Help them do.
there's not, I can't.
Okay, let's get those pins, let's get those
Logistically.
clips in there.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
so.
I'm holding it, Dad. It's fine. Go get the clips.
Just
I
kind of.
got it.
Can you put that on the table? Huh? I should be able to knock it on there.
on?
Nope. Almost.
It's on the very tip even.
Yeah.
It's not all the way back. There's a groove.
Come on. Get on there.
You should get some pliers, Dad. Luke, is my Leatherman right there?
No, got it on. Got it on.
All right, cool. Never mind.
Let me get the other one now.
Okay, calm down. I'm just standing. Now
We have to move this
we
whole
need
thing
to rotate it,
over where Jacob
move
is.
it all the way over here, and onto this,
But
the gas pistons.
we have to be able to get in.
So we can do the gas things
Right now.
Right now.
Right this
I imagine
second.
this is going to take another 20 minutes,
No.
probably.
No.
Do you see that? Because it needs to be down in order to install them, doesn't it?
No.
It's
gotta be
up.
It's supposed to be up.
Oh, okay, cool. You are right.
Where's...
So, there's,
What's wrong? Okay, I'm gonna have to screw right where your crotch
is this thing to be put on the top. And we need to get it somehow, because we should have probably put this on before doing that.
When we open it, the whole thing doesn't fall over,
Sure.
right? Because we have nothing else to hold on to.
You guys got a lot done today.
Yeah, it takes a...
So now, we're going to pray
That it comes down.
that it doesn't clip these things and that it clears.
Got more
Oh
room over
my,
there now.
that is so tight.
Bed, I forget how low normal beds are, because this is actually much lower than I would have for a normal bed. Mine are always like really high.
You're right,
So-
because of the box springs and stuff.
Right, so this is weird
Are you
that it's so
filming?
low, but it's much nicer than it being.
Get a nice film of the whole thing. Jacob sitting there.
So,
Okay.
I have it, it's not.
Okay.
And then those things are up.
Now, I'm not sure how the those foot pedal things hold it down.
Eventually, the bed is going to be on it, and once I pull it past a certain point, it will almost be equal in weight, so that I just barely need to bring it down.
So the piston gets it from here, keeps it up here.
Yeah,
That's all it does is try to pull. It's pushing down.
you'll see. You will be able to lift and lower this no problem,
Yeah.
but it needs the bed on it to keep it
To
down.
counterweight it?
Counterweight. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have that.
So it's already, you can put
That's
the bed
one
on?
screw.
One screw. Let's put the other ones in.
Okay.
Let's put the other ones in, and then we also need to do the.
The doohickey there.
Problem is
You gotta put your
the
mattress
header
on it.
one we can't do yet because we need to be able to reach all the way over there unless you have a 5-foot screw bit. We can't screw.
Right.
We can't screw that in from where we're standing unless you want to hop on this.
Put your
without a
mattress on.
bed.
Put your mattress on.
We need to get the thing
That's what I was wondering
Here.
about.
to
Okay.
go across here, even if it's just a temporary dowel or something, so that then we can put them
Way into the 2x4. That's going nowhere. Nowhere quickly. Okay. So, if we open.
Yeah, I know, but
Okay, you got it?
are you holding this?
I got it.
The drill's right here.
I'll hold it and you screw the thing in. And screw it in on the...
I don't know where the screws are.
Oh, they're right here. I'll give you two to that side. Screw it in on the...
Yep,
over here.
I know. Okay.
I like how you did that rather than, because they have it going the other way.
I don't like
to
it.
flip around.
I don't like the way that they had it.
Yeah. And we can get more. We can get different material.
Yeah, this will probably be fine. I would be shocked if this was not good, although it is kind of weird how it is. There's not like an eyelet or a fastener or something, you know.
Well, they're super easy to get. You just get them at the fabric store. I have some in my sewing kit somewhere.
Yeah, we can put a little ground.
Why is it spinning? Whatever, it doesn't matter. It's just holding.
Okay, I'll move over there.
I'm holding.
You got it?
Yes,
Okay. I'm gonna let go.
I have it.
Or a big boom.
Sure, whatever.
For a mattress that, well, I
Hold
guess
this.
it's gotta be pretty tight, huh? I didn't want to be okay.
That's gonna hurt my ears.
Three screws.
So if it doesn't break.
That would be horrible after all that work. Now, what is the point of that headboard?
It's a headboard, Mom.
So,
Well, you could put something on it, couldn't you?
well, it also holds it together.
What's the point of any headboard?
I guess decoration.
It holds these sides together so it doesn't fly apart. too.
It's a box.
And I don't think we need any more than that, right?
I really, really doubt
Because
it.
the bottom of this thing has no reason to go out.
Alright, so
72 hours later.
How long did it take you guys? 2 days?
Several days.
Well, I
Probably
mean,
3.
no, because you didn't
3
work
days.
all day.
of actual work,
Yeah.
there were a couple days where we worked what seemed all day.
Well, 'cause that was your-
3 days. I'd say 72 hours. Well, no. Let's
Maybe not
say
72 hours straight.
let's
but
say 12 hours
actual 12 hours of actual
Everything.
work.
without stopping.
Because many times, and you have to think about it, it's Dad and me both working, so it would have taken longer for one person to do it, I imagine.
I don't know how one person could have done it, lifting it and
Putting
moving
it up
it.
would be impossible.
I think it would be
Even if you had a
impossible.
huge room.
It would have been impossible in this room, but in a room that actually had room, and we didn't have to do that horrible monkeying thing, one person could do it. But these things made it super hard.
Yeah.
So
I mean, you saw with 3 of
I
us.
could do it
four
with
of
one
us.
finger, and you saw how heavy this stupid thing was before.
Can you pull that blue tape off the top?
That's what I'm doing
Here.
here.
Or do you
On
still
ladder.
need that? Does it latch then, so it doesn't just come
It
falling
won't
down?
come
Are you out of your mind?
Kim, the
Okay.
What
pressure,
would a latch for? That's what the springs are
the
for.
piston is pulling it up. The piston that's the only thing that keeps them from falling is the pistons.
Mom, you saw how hard you had to pull on it to actually get it down?
Yeah, you're right. I just don't want something crashing down on
And
something.
then I guess I could throw the,
Pillows up there
You can put your doing
and your blankets.
Yeah, you can put your doing
yeah. Well, maybe we'll end up building like
Another shelf
a little
even.
cabinet
It goes all
that
the way across.
continues this. It goes all the way up, and then these open so I can throw the pillows and
So
do
it
that.
opens up like this.
That's a good idea.
or
Yeah,
whatever.
sure. Anyway, I mean, they could be big, wide doors that open up here. You know, just big hinge that continues up from here. That, because we can build this, could be a facade that goes all the way up into the cabinets. And then those things.
Have something like this that opens up.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about that.
So, yeah, but so now we just need some trim around the edges to make it look really
What we
finished.
need to do is work on the woodwork of this to make it look like a nice cabinet.
Yeah, I think
We
it
can do
looks.
it.
Put on some nice handles.
We could do it.
Okay, here's the Murphy bed, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to pull down. You just pull down on this, on the handles, and then you have to flip this little platform, which is the stand, down, and then you just put it down. But you could see I could do it with one hand. Anyway, there it is. I think it turned out really beautiful, and the boys maybe are going to put a cabinet up above so they can store blankets and pillows. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of any videos that I do. But I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Bye!